This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Margherita pizza dough. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 500 grams of 00 flour, 325 milliliters of lukewarm water, 7 grams of active dry yeast, and 10 grams of fine sea salt. The water temperature is crucial for activating the yeast, so aim for around 105 degrees Fahrenheit. This combination will give us a perfect, pliable dough for a classic Margherita pizza. Now let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, whisk together your flour and salt. In a separate bowl, dissolve the yeast in the lukewarm water. Gradually pour the yeast mixture into the dry ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a lightly floured surface and knead for about 10 to 15 minutes. You're looking for smooth, elastic dough that springs back when gently poked. This develops the gluten, giving your pizza its wonderful texture. After kneading, it's time for the dough to rest and rise. Lightly oil a clean bowl, place your dough inside, and cover it with plastic wrap or a damp cloth. Let it proof in a warm spot for 1 to 2 hours, or until it has roughly doubled in size. This resting period is essential for flavor development and a light, airy crust. Once risen, gently punch down the dough, divide it into your desired number of portions, and shape each into a smooth ball. With your dough balls ready, it's time to stretch them into perfect pizza bases. Gently work from the center outwards, using your fingertips to create a thin, even crust, leaving a slightly thicker edge. Avoid using a rolling pin if possible, as hand stretching creates a better texture. Top with your favorite Margherita ingredients: crushed San Marzano tomatoes, fresh mozzarella, and a few basil leaves. Then, bake until golden and bubbly. And hey, if you're looking to keep your kitchen spotless after all that cooking, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.